how to make your mic sound like trash inside any game you play, right? It's it's used to basically irritate your friends. So yeah, let me show how you can do it. Just go to search and search for control panel. Once you are inside control panel, go to hardware and sound, and then go to sound. Okay, now from here, this click on recording and select the microphone you are using. So for example, if you are using your headset microphone, just tap here and go to properties, and there'll be a level like this. Okay, just increase it to 100. Okay, full. And after that, go to advanced, and from here you need to select this to the lowest hertz. By default it will be the highest. It's good quality, so it says telephone quality. Just select here, and then you are pretty much good to go. So after that, apply OK, and make sure this in some cases it might not work. If you have a pretty good headset, then it's not going to work that great. So for best result, if you have a microphone camera, if you have a camera microphone, if you have a webcam, and if you're using that microphone in order to speak to your friends, and that microphone is going to work great. That if you use that kind of, if you have that kind of microphone, so basically this is one of them, and if you try to communicate with that, it's going to work pretty good. Thanks for watching and have a great day.